The Valley of the Sun is an amazing place to visit and a spectacular place to live. In this video, we'll be going over the top events happening here this month. Make sure you stay to the end. You don't want to miss out on any of the fun. Leading off, I say that because here in the Valley of the Sun, there's plenty of spring training baseball games going on. But that's a different video on our channel, which you may want to check out. Fountain Hills Music Fest 2023, April 1st, from 5 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. at Fountain Park in Fountain Hills. This event is going to be awesome, just like springtime weather in Arizona. So if you're here in the Valley of the Sun, why stay inside when you can attend events like this one? I happen to know there's going to be 3 musical acts performing at the Fountain Hills Music Festival. The Black Hole, We Are Hologram, and Lost Straitjackets. Each have their own musical style, from classic rock to modern rock. So this music festival has something for everyone. Bring your blankets, chairs, invite the family, invite the friends, spend the day, take it all in. Oh, this year there will be food trucks and a beer and wine garden. By the way, my name is Shawn Rogers, the lead of the Mr. Rogers Homes real estate team, and we make videos all about living in Arizona, just like this one. If you're interested in learning more, please click the subscribe button. The next event, Country Carnival. April 1st and 2nd from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. located at the Blazing M Ranch in Cottonwood. Oh, make sure you check the websites for all these events so you have proper and current dates, times, rules, and regulations so you maximize your fun. Everybody wants to have a good time, and I'm giving you the tricks on how to make sure that happens. Like what you see? Want to see more? Then reach out. My contact information is in the description of every video we post. El Puente Festival, April 2nd, 2 to 5:30 p.m. at the Tempe Center for the Arts in Tempe. This is the 11th annual El Puente Festival, and should you attend, which I believe you should, you will enjoy amazing performances like ballets, dances, and theatrics by some of the Valley's most talented young people from ages 6 to 17. Children have the opportunity to join in on the performances. How cool is that? This is the highlight of the festival. Oh, El Puente in Spanish means the bridge. Thus, this festival brings generations together by sharing the cultures of cultural traditions. The event is free and open to the public. If you're considering buying and or selling real estate here in the Valley of the Sun, make sure you download our free guides below. The Bunny Bash, April 7th, 4:30 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. located at the Desert Ridge Marketplace in Phoenix. The Bunny Bash is an event you should hop on over to. I had to say it. For a spring celebration, take a free picture with the bunny and take part in the Easter egg hunt. There will be live entertainment, crafts, giveaways, and more throughout the day. Maricopa County Fair, April 12th through the 16th. Times may vary because the fun may vary. Located at the Veterans Memorial Coliseum in Phoenix. There's just way too much to talk about when it comes to county fairs, and I'm pretty sure most everybody has been to one. But if you haven't, the Maricopa County Fair is a great place to check out. And get back to me. Tell me what you liked or you didn't like. Leave it in the comment. I'm always interested to know what different county fairs have to offer, like in the way of food and rides and the cool people watching. You know what I mean. I'm already drooling over this one. Foodstock 2023, April 15th, 4 p.m. to 10 p.m. at the Peoria Sports Complex in Peoria, Arizona. This event is truly atop my list to attend, mostly because I love to eat, and there's going to be over 55 food trucks there. I believe entry is only $5. Kids under 12 are free. Parking is also free. Let's see what else will be there. Oh, bounce houses, a splash pad, playground, and face painting. Adults, you can sip spirits at the bar while taking down some more of the best food Arizona has to offer. This next one seems like it might be great for date night, but what do I know? Arizona Water Lantern Festival, April 22nd, 4:30 to 8:30 p.m. at the Surprise Community Park in Surprise. What a surprise. And yet another must-attend event that I believe is going to be filled with fun, and hopefully you'll make memories that you'll cherish forever. It truly is family friendly, however I still think it would be great for date night. Either way, enjoy and invite your friends, invite your family, invite your neighbors, invite everybody. The more the merrier. Urban Wine Walk, April 22nd, 12:30 to 5 p.m. Multiple venues in downtown Phoenix. Oh, the Urban Wine Walk is self-guided, so you can begin wherever you'd like. Maps will be provided identifying the participating bars and restaurants. Don't hold me to it, but I believe each location will offer $5 wine samples accompanied by a snack, until of course they run out of those tasty little snacks. Here's a few more things to know before you go. Bring cash for samples and tips. Don't forget the sunscreen and good walking shoes. And please don't drink and drive. I think that means and includes bicycles too. As more of you are watching our Phoenix Metro local events videos, which is awesome, thank you. Please click like and subscribe. I was asked if I could mention a few new places to eat. Of course I can. It's all about helping each other and sharing. So here comes a list. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you check this one out. I'll see you over there. Until next time, take care and God bless America.